See, you doing nowadays, very intelligent. I don't even understand. In fact, my son is so foolish.
Same way with my son. Oh.
Oh, your son cannot be as foolish as my son.
Same way with this.
Can
My
you
son
imagine?
is very, very foolish.
That you must. I don't think you know. I'm coming. Isaiah, my son.
Leave it. Sir!
Name me, sir. Isaiah.
Sir?
Isaiah, my son.
Sir?
Isaiah. Answer me. Answer me.
Sir?
You stupid.
Sir?
That's what I'm saying. Very foolish boy. What's your name?
My name.
What's your name?
My name.
Can you imagine?
I told you.
I don't know my name. I don't know.
You don't know your
Will
name.
you keep
What kind of
quiet?
foolish son is this?
Okay. No, Daddy. When I get home, I'll call my dad. I'll call him.
Is this
I'll
boy?
ask my dad.
Are you sick?
You ask your daddy when you get home. Yeah, get out.
Come on, get out of here.
Get out of
Useless
this
son.
place.
Get out of here.
Call my
Nonsense.
I told you your son can never be as foolish as my son.
See, my friend.
My
is
son,
foolish. My son is more foolish.
you know nothing.
Wait, let me show. Success.
Eh?
Bless idiot. You don't get respect.
Very stupid boy.
Success.
Sir.
Success.
Hmm?
Success. Watch you. Can see this useless boy. Where's success?
Very stupid
Can you
boy.
imagine?
Where do you get this boy from?
I don't see this process.
You don't see success.
Yeah.
Go and look for success.
Success!
This man.
Success!
I am too much.
Can you see this boy?
Sir, I'm not.
Where's success?
I'm not.
Where's success?
I'm not.
Do not see
You do not
success.
see success.
This boy is very foolish.